Financial literacy and investment strategies. In today's world, financial literacy is not just a skill, it's a necessity. Understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt is essential for achieving financial security. Without proper knowledge, individuals risk making poor financial decisions that can impact their future. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Creating a realistic budget allows individuals to track their income and expenses, ensuring they save and invest wisely. Effective debt management is also crucial. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt helps individuals make informed borrowing decisions. Investing is another key aspect of financial growth. The stock market offers opportunities for wealth creation, but it requires knowledge of fundamental and technical analysis. By understanding market trends, risk management, and investment strategies, individuals can make sound decisions when trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets. Retirement planning is another critical component. Starting early and making smart investment choices can secure a comfortable future. Additionally, being aware of tax regulations helps individuals optimize their savings and maximize returns. In addition to financial education, entrepreneurship presents an exciting path.